Hi everyone, welcome to Basic Funda. In today's video, I'm going to share an article with you all which I found very much interesting, and this might be a new feature which we can expect in model-driven apps in near future. So like in Excel sheets, on the top right corner, we can see how many people are working onto the same Excel sheet. We see their names, their icon. So same kind of feature we might expect in model-driven app. So I was just going through this article and I found that if I'm opening any Dynamics 365 record, so if multiple people are working on that records, I can see their names like this. So this is a very short video. I was excited because I have gone through this article. So I was thinking to share this video or this article with you all. So thanks for watching this video. I will put this link into the description box. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.